Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I want to do a little unboxing and kind of a first impression review of the Boxwalla box that came in February. Is it still February? It's still February. But it came this month, and they were featuring Siam Seas. This is my first box from Boxwalla, but I have been eyeballing them for a very long time, kind of stalking them on Instagram, and their past few boxes have been really good. So I finally subscribed after watching Trish from Green Beauty Trish. She has a YouTube channel, and I love following her, and just the way that she described these products just made me really want to just finally subscribe. Let me tell you a little bit about Boxwalla. They do offer 4 different types of boxes. They offer beauty, book, food, and film boxes, so that's kind of very unique, and they ship every other month. So the first box of 2019 is February, and then they won't ship again until April. Their boxes are $49.99 or $49.95 every other month, and so I think it's a really good value. And like I said, I've been stalking them on Instagram, and everything that I've seen from these boxes have been like really good artisanal brands, if you will, and Siam Seas is no different. They ship their products in these beautiful boxes. It says Boxwalla right there, and mine is in like this dusty pink color. And these boxes, I found out, are made from tree-free handmade paper. They're actually made from cotton scraps. They are made by a small company in India with 63 local villagers and 20 skilled artisans whose family have been making paper for generations, and it's completely child labor free. And the feel of these are if you made paper mache back in school, that's what they feel like, and they are very sturdy and just really beautiful boxes. I can see myself repurposing these for, I think they would make like really good photo boxes, or kind of organizing your stuff. Like if you've been watching Marie Kondo, she's really into using boxes to organize your things in drawers, so I think this would be really good for that also. So in this box, like I said, it features Siam Seas, and I really didn't know very much about Siam Seas. I know that they've been featured a couple of times in the Beauty Heroes subscription box, but anytime that they've been featured, I've just kind of, I'm not really interested, and I thought there were other brands that I want to check out. Siam Seas has really never been one of them, but like I said, after watching Trish's review on these 2 products, that was it. I wanted to check them out. The Boxwalla sent this little cardstock here, gives you a little overview about the box, and then like I said, I really don't know much about Siam Seas, so I'm gonna go ahead and read this to you. It says, "Dear beauty enthusiast," it's me, I'm a beauty enthusiast. Excited for you to discover Siam Seas with this box themed frangipani fables and black rice tales. Siam Seas was founded by Subhadra Geronimo. Oh my gosh, I love her last name. And her first name too is very unique. Subhadra Geronimo, in early 2016. In her line, Subhadra harnesses the potency of ancient Southeast Asian botanicals used in Thai medicine, Ayurveda, and traditional Chinese medicine, combining them with research-backed actives to create something new, yet carrying centuries of ancient wisdom. We've chosen for you to experience 2 new category-defying products from the line. And whenever they release this box, these 2 products are new releases, and they were not in her website yet, but I did just check, and these 2 are available for purchase in the Siam Seas website now. And I really like her take on skincare, where she marries kind of the East and West and creating something new, like this card says. So the first product that came in the box is the Siam Seas Kwam Rock Radiance of Love. It's like a body serum / lotion. The box, first of all, is this beautiful color, and she applied these little rhinestones by hand, so that's a really nice touch, and just a really beautiful box. And then the product comes in this glass bottle, and I think it's really beautiful too, with a little swirly detail over here, and it's pink. This is a $90 product. It is a creamy emulsion that sits in the realm between oil and lotion. It goes on like a watery serum, weightless like gossamer, that instantly gets absorbed, but with an afterfeel of a rich oil or cream. It's made with a base of aloe vera juice and aloe inner fillet gel, and contains raw, unrefined mustard seed oil, that is used in both Ayurveda and Thai massage. Stimulates circulation, which in turn helps prevent cellulite and improves the texture of skin. In addition, there is a blend of botanical extracts, sodium PCA, and 3 kinds of ceramides to heal and hydrate the skin and help it retain moisture. The healing botanical extracts include pomegranate, noni, turmeric, ashwagandha, terminalia, shebula, I have no idea what that is, ginger, long pepper, green tea, pink lotus. So it's really chock full of good ingredients. They say to apply 5 to 8 pumps onto clean skin and massage all over the body. You will first smell the spicy scent of mustard seed oil with an accompanying cooling sensation from it. Then in 15 to 20 minutes, the spicy scent gives way to the scent of frangipani and jasmine sambak that softly linger. So as far as my experience with this product, I have had this box for about a week now. I got it last Thursday and it's Friday today. As soon as I got it, I took a shower and I wanted to get this on my body. And let me just show you the consistency of this. That's what it looks like. It's like a very watery serum, really, and this is the texture of serum that I like to put on my face. So it's that watery serum and it sinks right into the skin and it feels like I just put a very rich body cream on my arm. I used about 8 pumps on the palm of my hand and just kind of rub it together, and I put it on my upper body, like my arms and my chest area, and that was it. I used the unscented Desert Essence lotion on the rest of my body so that way it won't detract from the scent of this. So whenever I smelled it, I didn't get any of that mustard that they were talking about. I just smelled this jasmine sambak that they talk about also. Yeah, jasmine sambak. I grew up in the Philippines. I moved here when I was 13, and it is a predominantly Catholic country, so every time after church there would be people selling these. They look like Hawaiian lace, but they have these little white flowers in this string, and we'd buy them and we would put it on our statues of saints and Mary and, well, it's baby Jesus, because, you know, if you're Catholic you know what I'm talking about, right? Because we all have altars, and we would put those strung up little flowers like around their neck, just kind of like a little floral offering, and we would do that every time after church. And so that's what this reminded me of, and I couldn't remember what the little flowers were called, so I went on Google and I googled little flowers, I don't know, white little flowers after church in the Philippines or something like that, something like, because I didn't know where to go. I just knew that it smelled exactly like this. And so I had to find out what the Tagalog word for it was, and it's called sampaguita, and it's little flowers, little white flowers. And then I went back on Google and I was like, oh yeah, that's what it was called. It's been a while. So I googled sampaguita in English, and it's this jasmine sambak. Like, I had no idea. And I literally I was laying in my bed and I just felt like I just melted in my bed. And then all of these memories just came flooding in, like, just kind of caught me off guard. Like, right now I'm talking about it, I'm getting emotional because of this beautiful product here. It's just amazing how scents can do that, you know, just bring up memories. I love scents that does that. So I absolutely love this, not only because of the sensory experience that takes me back to my childhood, but because it's really effective too. I just did my Pedibor unboxing and I sprayed that Shamanudi toner that kind of just dried up my hands really badly, and now I feel like it's just fixed it. And my hands are nice and moisturized and hydrated and just beautiful and smelling so good. Alright, we need to move on because I'm gonna be a mess. The second product here is the Siam Seas Clear Skin Serum. And this is a $65 serum. Beautiful packaging. Again, I love it. It is a vitamin C brightening, antioxidant, calming, and clearing serum. It's a water-based serum made in a base of black rice water along with turmeric hydrosol. Turmeric is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. Sampoy water and Cassia Tora water. I have no idea what those two are. They're all extracted in-house. Supadra builds on the synergies between various Southeast Asian botanicals, along with the synergies between these botanical extracts and science-proven actives. For example, she combines a high percentage of stable vitamin C ester with 3 ancient botanicals to combat photoaging. Sai also contains more than 50 active ingredients, including green tea, basil, milk thistle, ashwagandha, gypsum, Siamese neem, mangosteen, plant ceramides, moth bean extract, and so much more. Designed for all skin types, Sai helps the skin retain moisture and draws moisture into the skin, expedites its natural healing processes, and fights inflammation and redness, all while creating a second skin layer that protects the skin from environmental stress. Sai has a slightly gritty texture due to the gypsum suspension. They do suggest to shake well before use. Apply 1 to 2 pumps on clean, damp skin over a mist. They say that it will dry down to a smooth and glowy matte finish. You can stop there, which will allow you to evaluate the effects of this serum. After a few days of testing, you can, if necessary, add an oil and a cream or balm over Sai while the skin is still damp. With lots of love from the drunken Boxwallas. So like I said, I've had these 2 products for about a little bit over a week now, so I have had a chance to play around with this. So what I like to do is shake it really well, like they say, and pump 1 pump onto my fingers. I like to mist my face first. I'll just kind of walk you through my routine. So I wash my face first thing in the morning. I've only been using this in the mornings because I have other products that I like to use at night. So I mist my face with a hydrosol. I didn't reach for my face mist that has any kind of active ingredients or anything. I think it's the Melissa hydrosol and half George's Aloe, that pink bottle that you always see me using whenever I do my mask videos. But so I just sprayed that on my face, like 5 to 8 spritzes of that. Really make sure that my skin is wet. And then I do 1 pump on my fingertips. Let me go ahead and waste a pump for you. But it looks like that. It is very thick, and the light is going to be way too bright. Oh, there you go. It's thick like that. It's not runny at all, and very unlike the body serum here. And then I just rub it between my fingers and then onto my skin, on my wet skin, and then kind of just let it sink into my skin. It does have a tiny bit of a gritty texture. It's not like you're doing a physical scrub on your face or anything, and it does dissipate. And then I would spray my face some more and kind of repeat the process. So I do 2 pumps in the morning, and it smells so good. At first I thought I wasn't gonna like the scent. It smells like kind of floral, and it has like it smells like a warm caramel and floral at the same time. It smells like a Chinese pastry. I told you I grew up in the Philippines, and we used to go to Chinatown, I guess is what they call it here. But whenever we would get Chinese pastry from there, that's exactly what it smells like. And the scent lingers also for a couple of hours even after I've applied the rest of my skincare. So going on with my routine, I let that dry, and then I spray my face another time, and then I do my Ursa Major cream with a couple of drops of, why can't I think of anything right now, of the Le Prunier plum oil. So because I chose a single oil instead of, again, using more oils that has more active ingredients, because like this says, it has 50 plus active ingredients, so I just kind of didn't want to detract from that. I mix those 2 in my hands and then just kind of top it off with that, and then sometimes I would put SPF on top if I'm going outside. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. Again, just all kinds of memories that it just has been stirring up inside of me, and all the emotions that come along with that. A beautiful line and a very beautiful introduction to the Boxwalla subscription box. So now I feel like I need to check out the rest of the line, because like I said, it's just kind of something that I've kind of ignored, I guess, in the past. So I'm really glad that Trish somehow convinced me whenever she was doing her review of this box, and yeah, just a very beautiful line. I am so happy with it. Let me know your thoughts of this box if you guys got this box this month. The next box is not going to ship until April. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!